If you're looking to maximize cash back on all your travel expenses, today I'm going over how I earn 15% cash back on all my hotels and travel through cashback stacking on the Acorns app. Hey, welcome back guys. This is Eric of everydayinvesting.com, where I'm all about helping you guys maximize your saving and investing. Today we are going over the system I use to easily get 15% cash back on all my hotel stays by cashback stacking. So let's jump right into it, guys. Now, how are we gonna get this 15% cash back on all our hotel stays? Well, we're gonna triple stack our cash back. That's right, we're triple stacking our cash back. If you've ever seen the movie Inception, we're going 3 levels deep today. We're gonna get cash back on cash back on cashback. It's gonna be crazy, guys, so stay tuned because I'm gonna walk you through how to get that 15% cash back on all your hotel stays. So for starters, guys, you will need the Acorns app. Now, if you're not familiar with the Acorns app, Acorns is one of my favorite investing apps for new investors. And not only do they have an investment app, but they also do have a very robust cashback portal to really help you maximize the cashback on your everyday purchases. Now, if you're new to Acorns and would like to learn more about it first, I do have a much more full in-depth review. I'll be sure to link that full review down below in the description box in case you'd like to learn more. But essentially with the Acorns app cashback portal called Found Money, their Found Money program, you can actually earn cash back through booking hotel stays through the Hotels.com app and earn you 2% cash back into your Acorns portfolio. Acorns will then automatically invest that for you. So that's 2% cash back right there. And I know what you're thinking. Where's the other 13% I was promised, Eric? Well, let's get to that right now. So the second part of the equation is the Hotels.com app. Now the Hotels.com app is a free app you can download on your phone, and essentially when you book your hotel stays through the Hotels.com app, they do have a rewards program that lets you earn 10% cash back on all of your hotel stays. Now you don't earn this cash back immediately, but you earn it in the form of rewards by essentially after 10 hotel stays of booking through the Hotels.com app, after 10 nights of bookings, you then receive 1 free night at a hotel based on the average value of all the nights you stayed over those 10 nights. So I'll go more in depth in that in just a second, but for now you just need to know that you earn that 10% through booking on the Hotels.com app, which again is a free app. So that's 10% through the Hotels.com app, 2% through Acorns, that puts you at 12%. How do we get the last 3% now? And the final 3%, guys, is by ordering your hotel with a cashback travel credit card. And for me, the one I like to use, guys, is the Wells Fargo Propel American Express card. This card earns you 3% cash back on all your hotels, flights, and travel, as well as on restaurants and dining, but we're not talking about that today. Right now, it earns you 3% back on your hotels and travel. Now, I will say, guys, that the Wells Fargo Propel credit card is not the only travel cashback credit card option, but I do like it for this system because it does easily give you that 3% cash back on all your hotels, flights, and travel, and it also gives you 3% cash back on your food, dining, and restaurants, which I like to use outside of travel as well. Now, the great thing about this card is that it is no annual fee, so there's no annual fees to use this card, and that's pretty much why I like to use it myself. Prior to this card, I did use another travel credit card, but I really found this one is the best for my needs in terms of this cashback system and maximizing it. So when you stack that 3% plus that 10% plus that 2%, that's how I get 15% cash back on all my hotel stays, and I'm gonna show you right now how to do it from scratch. So here we are now, guys, back inside the Acorns app, and I'm going to discuss how to actually earn this 15% cash back for the first time and all future times. So what you're going to want to do on the home page of Acorns is you're going to want to go down to where it says Earn Found Money. Again, click on that, guys. This again is their cashback portal on the Acorns app, where you can earn cash back from thousands, actually hundreds of major retailers for all your everyday purchases. And the cool thing with Acorns, guys, is not only do you earn cash back and generous amounts of cash back through their portal, but they actually invest this cash back for you right into your Acorns investment portfolio. So I think that's really cool. If you scroll down here, guys, you will notice that Acorns does have a couple of hotel partners you can earn cash back from, such as Choice Hotels, Hotels.com, Expedia.com, and a few others. However, to earn the 15% cash back, you're going to want to go Hotels.com, and I'll show you why in just a second. Now, don't get confused. You'll see, for example, we'll pass up Expedia, and when we pass Expedia, you'll see it's 4% cash back. You may be tempted to go with Expedia just to earn that 4% when you see that Hotels.com only currently gives 2% cash back, because 4% is greater than 2, right? Well, it is. but you can't get the 15% cash back by going through Expedia, so don't do it. Hotels.com is the way to go for this cashback system. So you simply want to click on hotels.com, guys. Once you click on that, it'll then explain the details of how to use this and how you can earn that 2% cash back into your Acorns portfolio. So again, all you have to do, guys, is just tap below on the book button. You have to complete the transaction in one session, and then the bonus will be delivered to your Acorns portfolio, which is that 2% cash back. So you simply want to click on book. It's going to open up hotels.com on your web browser. But guys, there is a caveat here. Don't order your hotel here, because to get the 15% cash back, what you want to do is click on the very top where it says open the hotels.com app. Again, make sure you have this app downloaded to your phone, guys, and this will open up the hotels.com app, which is a free app, guys. Like I said, once you're in hotels.com app, you'll notice that they do have a rewards program called Hotels Rewards. Now you get these rewards by booking through their hotels.com app. And the way it works is after 10 nights, they do give you one free night as a reward for that. So what you want to do is click on the rewards section here, and you'll notice I currently have three nights I've booked through the hotels.com app, and it says collect 7 more nights to get 1 reward night. So the way this works is they'll tally up the average value of your 10 nights that you booked through hotels.com, and they'll give you 1 free night, which is the average value of those 10 nights. So as you can see, over 3 nights I've booked so far, my average value has been $111.66. Let's just say, for example, after 10 stays of booking through the hotels.com app, after 10 nights, let's just say your average spend is $100. Then that means your free reward night will be worth $100. So that means you could use that $100 coupon towards a hotel stay that is $100 or less, or even $100 or greater, and they'll just apply that $100 discount to that free hotel stay. So that's pretty awesome, guys. So that's pretty much how I get my second 10% here. I get my 10% through the hotels.com app and my 2% through Acorns. And for that final percent, what you want to do is click book now once you have your hotel. And what you'll do, guys, is you can go to anywhere you want. Let's just say you want to go to San Francisco. Let's say you want to look at any hotel. Let's just say, for the sake of example, you want to stay here at right here. Let's just say Fisherman's Wharf. As you can see, they'll say hotels.com rewards. Pretty much all hotels on hotels.com app are hotels.com rewards eligible, meaning they're eligible for that 10% cash back in the form of rewards. So once you book your hotel and you book it, and you click book now, you're going to want to pay with that cashback travel credit card. Now there are more than one option out there. For me, guys, the most simple one I like to use is the Wells Fargo Propel card, because this card is a no annual fee card, so there's no annual fees to use it, but it does give me that 3% cash back on hotels and travel and flights, everything like that, travel related. So I like it for that reason. So then I pay with this card. So again, essentially that gives me 3% cash back by paying with my Wells Fargo cashback travel card. It gives me 10% cash back by booking through the hotels.com app, and it gives me 2% back into my Acorns portfolio by booking it originally through the Acorns Found Money cashback portal. And again, the neat thing with the hotels.com app, guys, is that as you book your nights over time, you can track your progress continually through the hotels.com app. Now, if you are new to cashback stacking and would like to learn the other opportunities available to you to really maximize the cashback on your everyday purchases, check out this video right here, which goes a lot more in depth on the Acorns Found Money program and how you can use it to really stack your cashback beyond just hotels and travel, but for dining, online purchases, and pretty much all of your everyday purchases.